Alright, so if you've been following my builds, you know that I did 2 walls already of the camper shell, and I did this hatch, this storage hatch that I could load gear into without opening up my back, and even climb out in an emergency situation. I'll work on the lock on that later, but there's also a little window. But anyways, we need to work on the other side. So unlike the other side where I used a marine hatch and a marine porthole, this time I'm actually using a real RV window. And I'll leave a link in the description for this too. But what I'm thinking is that I would just mount it right here. That way I already have 2 walls, 2 supports, and then I'll just need to put a support frame here, and then I'll be able to mount up the window. We'll see how that goes. I've never installed one of these before. But like everything else, I'll make it up as I go along. Alright, got one in. Need to get a bar up here. Alright, so I got that crossbar up and this frame is in. So I'm going to put on the skin first, and then I'm going to drill some holes and then drill it into the sides and then mount up the window. Alright, so I got the window frame loosely placed. I haven't drilled it in yet, and I got the board loosely placed. I haven't put in all the screws yet. So what I need to do is put in more screws and then put in the foam on the back and then mount up the window. All right, got the insulation in. Now I need to tape the gaps like I have over there. Okay, so now that the tape is in, I could start installing the window. All right, I got the window in. I don't know if it'll be watertight. It's my first window install, so it's whatever it is. But anyways, so now I have some ventilation. Let's look on the inside. All right, that's the way it looks on the inside. There's my window. I'm certain I didn't install it right, but hopefully it's good enough. We'll figure it out as we go along. Alright, last thing for today is taping in this corner. Since this corner is done, again, using that RV seal and repair tape. I'll leave a link in the description for this, but it seems like it's holding up all right. It's very flexible, so that's good. It's not production worthy, but it's my camper worthy. All right, there's the seams. For now, I got 2 sides, a front. Next up, I need to work on the rear.